So I was given a call on a Thursday. They asked me, they were like, hey, can you do a ceramic coating on this truck? Gotta have it Monday morning by 9 o'clock. I'd already done 3 ceramics. I had one being dropped off on Friday. So I was like, you know what? Sure. Stayed late Friday, knocked out a Dodge Ram for a client. Brought this one in Saturday morning, did the whole decon snow foam, as you guys are seeing right here. So put the whole snow foam on it. Figured, do this thing right. Luckily, we were able to just do a paint enhancement. We didn't have to do a full-on paint correction, but still did a little descale. That way, if there was any kind of waxes or sealants from the factory, we were able to strip that off before we started polishing into the paint. There were a few imperfections on this, so did have to break out the compound for a minute, but I'd say about 98% of this truck was just paint enhancement. Nothing like the sounds of a good old rinse off the pressure washer. So, doing the pre-rinse right now. Went in with some detail brushes. Got around all the emblems right there. Brand new truck, 2024 Ford F450. This thing was heavily customized. I mean, a lot of paint match. This truck was actually built for a gentleman who went to Ohio State, played football for him in the 80s. But did the paint enhancement. You guys have seen that a million times, so figured fast forward to the ceramic coating. I'm applying the System X Pro. That's their 6-year ceramic. Comes with Carfax registration, plus it comes with a nationwide warranty. So that's really good considering, like I said, we're based in Georgia. This truck actually went to a gentleman that lives in Indiana. So he doesn't have to worry about bringing his truck down here for the maintenance. He can get it done up in Indiana through another authorized System X installer. So that right there, to me, is a great part of being part of the System X family. You see the truck right here rolling out. I mean, just beautiful the way it turned out. I mean, this truck turned out like glass. I love doing black paint. A lot of people hate it. I don't. I love the challenge of it, but I love the end results. But I mean, look at the suspension on this truck. Fully customized. I mean, this truck is just perfect. I love doing it. I never drive the vehicles off the property, but I'm not gonna lie. I wish I could have went cruising in this truck, but there's something I don't do. But yeah, it was definitely a treat for me to do this truck. I hope you guys loved it, and smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Share it. Thank you so much for watching.